I already cut out the mesquite bush, cut the roots on it, and now I'm digging the hole bigger. I want to plant something else in this place. Finally getting into somewhat softer soil. As soon as I say that, I run into an area where there's just these like UFO looking rocks, or maybe they came out of a volcano or something. I don't know. That's what we got. It's gonna be for a orange tree that I bought. And bringing water down here is the only slightly difficult part. It did thunderstorm last night and rain a little bit, so even if I neglected the tree, it probably wouldn't die. It would take a while. It's not impossible to grow stuff here at all. In fact, as we look down there, you can see all kinds of luscious trees. From here, I can't even tell what they are really. I have to walk down there and look. Of course, you got cacti up here, so it's a dry climate, which, believe it or not, is really good for growing things because irrigation is the norm. You can definitely do irrigation here. We don't have to do it the expensive way either. We can actually take the heat of the sun, if we do it right, and use it to move water and maybe simultaneously distill it. It doesn't need to be distilled, but you can double it, do a Y, and use the distilled water to drink, and the rest of it can flow to the plants through humid air, steam kind of thing. I do know a little bit about chemistry. And we'll just continue working here. It's getting to be quite much softer soil. Noticing that when I hit the sides, I don't seem to be finding as many of those UFO rocks in here, which is what I think when I see them. It looks like they all rained down from space or something. Probably some volcano. And we're getting to the edges here. You can see it. Well, see, as you go to the top, it's harder. Down here, you got this softer soil that you can actually dig into. That's going to be about it for the digging on the hole for the orange tree. Oh man, this works. Usually haven't had to put too much natural or artificial fertilizer in the soil, even around here. To make something grow well, you just have to water it and use some good soil with it. And that is where we are now. The only problem now is to try to lug that tree over here. Ugh. Yes, there are birds up in that tree. Can't really see them from here. there's no zooming device that actually zooms on this camera, so you just have to take my word for it. But yeah, I really don't want to lay an axe to that tree. The plan is to drive my truck in four-wheel low down as close as I can get with the orange tree, and then just kind of limp it over to where I dug the hole and plant the tree, water it, cut the the plastic container off of it, and start the process of growing it. And I've already germinated some seeds. I germinated some grapes, and it's hardly, it has started to grow. And other seeds, some of them have done absolutely nothing, but the ones that do work, I've been not using fertilizer, but healthy soil and watering them, giving them full sun, and they're working. And the plan is just to keep at it. And thank God that there is some fertile soil here already. Might end up actually purchasing some more fertile soil to make sure that these plants actually take root and thrive. Even if the soil down at my house, which is just parched, I've been able to grow jalapenos or chilies. Can't remember which one actually took root because I tried both. It might actually be chilies or chiles, and garlic, which is just been very hard to start. But that's the plan, is to walk that over. I won't be showing all that process in the video. It's going to take a while to, walk that orange tree over, and I'm not going to be able to hold the camera and do that at the same time. But thank you everybody for watching. I really appreciate it. God bless you. Jesus loves you.